Here, the reason why I'm asking this, andun kasi yung risk. Yung risk ng tao, na for all we know, kawawa rin naman si Ma'am Gina Acosta, na pupunta siya, delikado ang buhay niyan. Kasi 125 million cash is not a joke. Ito po ay 4 or 5 beses na pumabalik-balik siya, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
4 times po, since yung check po na na-issued is 4.
So mag-isa lang talaga siya na pumupunta or merong mga kasama?
May mga kasama po.
May mga kasama. Nakikilala niyo po yung mga kasama niya?
No, ma'am.
By face, makikilala po?
Hindi na po, Miss Chair.
Ano po yung sasakyan na ginagamit nila?
We're not aware po of the, kasi po yung parking, hindi naman po namin.
Kasi di ba yung pera nasa loob ng bangko? Maglalabas ka ng pera sa labas, isasakay po ba natin sa tricycle, Mr. Chair?
Hindi po. It's since over-the-counter transaction po siya, after release po kasi ng bank sa client, it's call na po ni client where kung saan
Ma'am,
po
can
nila
you please
ilalagay.
speak closer to the microphone?
Hindi na po namin chine-check or minomonitor yung kung anong car po or vehicle
Sino po,
po.
Mr. Chair, Your Honors, yung naghahakwat?
Sila po mismo, yung mga client.
Ibig sabihin, wala pong taga-bangko ang naghahakwat or nagpapalabas?
Wala po.
Yeah. It's just quite unusual, Mr. Chair, that the branch manager who's present here now seems to have probably a temporary amnesia on what has happened. Kasi napaka-imposible pong maglalabas ka ng 125 million cash, 4 na beses, ni hindi mo lang titingnan kung ano yung paglalagyan at ni hindi mo tutulungan yung kliyente na maglabas ng pera. Kasi syempre, alam mong it can invite perpetrators, either ma-hold up, either pasukin yung branch. Kung ganyan po ba, ma'am, nilalock yung branch or parang open to all lang?
Miss Chair, hindi naman po. Yung dun sa lalagyan, ma'am, nakikita naman po namin kasi from the teller, i-release po yung money. So the teller, nakikita niya po kung saan niya ilalagay yung money. So yung dun sa paglabas po, since malaki po yung amount, so from the release po, parang dapat wala na pong touch ang one of the personnel since po ilalabas na po siya sa bank. So ang ano po namin
Dumadaan siya ng teller, bale, doon yung teller, yung parang may mesa po na ganon, ma'am? Bale, igaganon mo po?
Actually, nire-request naman po yun ni client na dapat doon sa discrete place. So, since malaki po yung amount, nire-release po namin siya at the back of the teller.
Sorry, ma'am, at the?
Back of the teller po. Yung medyo discrete po yung area para hindi po naka-expose
Hindi nyo
sa tao.
tinitingnan yung risk ng empleyado ng gobyerno na kumukuha siya ng malaking cash, baka mamaya masaksak yan paglabas ng bangko?
Nasa likod nga po, back of the teller po, nasa back room po ng teller.
Back ng teller, yung dinadaanan niya, yung pa rin yung main door or merong ibang daanan?
Yung exit, yung entrance and exit, isa lang po yung dun sa case po ng Shaw Boulevard branch.
So doon din lumalabas?
Yes, Miss
Okay.
Chair.
At ang naghahakwat nun ay yung kliyente na mismo?
Opo, kasi may mga kasama naman po sila na
Hindi nyo po kilala yung mga kasama?
hindi po. Miss
Hindi nyo
Chair.
naman hinahatid yung pera papunta sa opisina, sa DepEd?
Hindi po, Miss Chair.
Pero pwede siyang ihatid, Mr. Chair?
Hindi po, Miss Chair.
Bakit po? Di ba meron kayong armored vehicle?
Wala po kasi kaming MOA with regards to the delivery of the cash to the client.
Walang...
Wala po kaming memorandum of agreement with them. So, talagang over the
So
counter.
lahat po ng kung ihahatid dapat may MOA.
If we will be using the armored card po, Ms.
Hindi
Chair.
na kung for purposes of safety kasi kawawa naman yung mga empleyado at kawani ng gobyerno kung malay mo may pag-interesan sila. Hindi nyo hinahatid ng armored vehicle papunta dun sa opisina para naman safe sila.
Yun po, kung meron po kaming memorandum of agreement kasi yung armored car is need po ng
Sino po yung teller na nag-release ng pera?
uh, teller po ng branch.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ms. Chair, since 4 checks po ang issued check for negotiation, iba-ibang teller po yung nag-issue.
So iba-ibang teller
Oo,
siya.
so in our case, 3 tellers po yung iba-ibang nag-serve.
Okay. At usually is this usual for land bank?
In case po ni Shaw Boulevard, that large amount, hindi po siya usual kasi hindi naman po lahat ng client namin nag-encash ng ganong kalaking amount.
Unusual po siya sa pananaw nyo?
Opo, Ms. Chair.
Yeah. Mr. Chair, the reason why I'm asking this is we're putting the risk of our government officials and our government employees. Imagine magwi-withdraw ka ganyan kalaki, cold cash. Maybe in aid of legislation, there can also be a cap kasi pwede naman na maraming SDOs or pwede naman to ginawang every other week yung pag-disburse. Tsaka ang tanong rin, there are just a lot of questions, Mr. Chair, because if you get 125 million cash and you bring it to an office, a government office, may vault ba yung government office? Maybe we can ask the representatives from OVP. Meron po tayong vault doon, ma'am, Mr. Chair? Wala na. Can the finance chief answer, Mr. Chair?
Yes, Attorney Sanchez or Attorney Lopez?
Mr. Chair, we have a vault for our cash division, but that is not the same vault being used by the SDO. So I am not aware if there is a separate vault used by the SDO.
Si Ma'am Attorney Zulaika, meron po?
Your Honor, I am aware of a vault in the, as mentioned by the Director for Finance and Admin, for cash. It's used for, I think, understand payroll and other, and petty cash fund.
It's used for payroll? Hindi po ba online na po ang payroll natin, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am,
Yeah,
I'm
oo.
sorry. May I refer this matter to our Chief Accountant and Director for Admin and Finance?
Ma'am, just to add, Mr. Chair, just to add to what I mentioned earlier, the vault for the cash division is being used for primarily for petty cash fund, but there are also some items of payroll. For example, clothing allowance, Your Honor, which are paid in cash to employees.
In your experience, is it safe to take 125 million cash from the bank and transfer it to your office? Risky po ba yon sa inyo? Pwede po ba kayong pasukin? May capability ba kayo na i-deter yung mga possible untoward incidents? Kung sakasakaling mangyari, palayo naman sana at buti hindi nangyari.
Mr. Chair, in terms of the security arrangements in the office, we regularly coordinate with the Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group for security assessment, and we take their recommendations. For example, if they advise us to add additional blue guards, we take their recommendations and apply it. But we defer
So in
to
this
their
case,
risk
Mr.
assessment.
Chair, yung 4 na beses na kumukuha kayo ng cash na 125 million sa Land Bank at nililipat sa opisina ng Vice President, ano po ang naging security measures na ginawa nyo?
Mr. Chair, I apologize, but I do not have personal knowledge on the specific security measures undertaken.
Can you speak closely to the microphone, please?
Sorry, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I do not have personal knowledge on the specific security measures undertaken after the check was released.
Alam nyo po kaya, maybe the Chief of Staff or the Finance, would you know sino po ang driver nung sasakyan na kumukuha ng pera?
Your Honor, I am not really privy to financial matters in the office. My role really as Chief of Staff is based purely operations. So I think the better person to answer really for admin and financial concerns would be Director Lin. Sanchez.
Director Lynn Sanchez. So, Director, pag dumarating po yung pera, saan po dinidiretso?
Mr. Chair, after the cash division releases the check to the special disbursing officer, we already have no participation